Welcome back to the Milk+Blush channel. In this video we are going to show you how to achieve a 90s inspired high ponytail with a deep side fringe. You're going to want to start by parting your hair into a deep side part and then sectioning the front frame and pieces of hair away from the rest that will be going up into a ponytail. Once your hair is sectioned in the front, you're going to want to half the hair into two sections at the back. Once all your hair is parted, you then want to take another small layer from the very front of your head and set it aside. This will be the hair that will conceal your wefts. You then need to separate another layer of hair and you are ready to start clipping in your wefts onto these sections. We are clipping in two 2-clip wefts at the top of the ponytail. A 3-clip would have been too long to conceal. Once all the clips are in, you're going to want to brush your hair back, ensuring that all the wefts are concealed. Then secure this in place with an elastic, making sure everything is neat and polished. Now you're going to want to clip in the wefts at the bottom half of the ponytail by sectioning layers of hair and pulling them up towards the ponytail, then clipping in the weft upside down so the hair is directed upward. We used two 2-clip wefts again for this as they're really easy to conceal. A 3-clip would have been too long to conceal and more wefts would have made the ponytail look bumpy. Once the wefts are clipped in, you will need to brush your hair upwards into the anchor ponytail that was secured earlier. We are using a tangle teaser for this as it's a great tool for catching all of your hair and moving it all in the same direction. To secure the hair in place, we are using a bungee elastic which anchors into your hair, wraps around the base and then anchors back into the hair with small hooks. These are great for keeping a ponytail sleek as there is no need to pull the hair through a bobble and potentially lose control over the hairstyle. As we're going for the ultimate thickness for this ponytail, you're going to add a quad weft to the base of it and clip it onto a bubble anchor that we have created using a clear elastic an inch above the base of the ponytail. But depending on personal preference, you don't have to do this. It all depends on the desired thickness. Once the clear elastic is in place, creating a bubble effect, you can then take your quad weft and clip it around the bubble anchor tightly and neatly. To finish the look, you will need to take a small section of hair and wrap it around the base of the ponytail, ensuring there's enough hair to conceal the quad weft. Secure this in place with a few bobby pins and that's the final look. The great thing about this look is that it's really made to last all day. Just take some hairspray and a brush or comb out with you and you can touch up the hairstyle wherever you are. If you try this look, then remember to tag us on Instagram or send over your videos. We love to see what you guys can create. We hope you have a great week. Bye!